I am the pillar of strength of my family, the favorite daughter, the queen of the Chua Empire. Who says I'm a failure as a wife and a mother? I'm smart, beautiful, and powerful. Nobody stands in my way because I am Lily Chua. Hindi ako ambisyosa dahil lumaki ako sa hirap. Hindi lang pera ang dahilan para sumaya. Mas simpleng buhay, mas masaya. Ako si Dahlia. I speak my mind and I'm free to do what I want. People see me as tough, carefree, and independent. But what I really want is for my family to accept and love me. I am Iris. When you say beauty, that's me. Pero ang ganda ko, sobrang palapad. Para sa akin, walang hating kapatid. Darating ang panahon, ako ang kaiinggitan. Sige, hamunin niyo ako. Remember my name, Violet.